Your subconscious mind is like the hidden operating system of your life. It quietly shapes your thoughts, decisions, and even the opportunities that come your way. What if you could reprogram it to attract wealth, success, and happiness automatically? Stay with me, because in this video, you'll experience powerful I am affirmations designed to unlock your subconscious and shift your reality. Step 1. Understanding the subconscious. Your subconscious mind is always listening. The beliefs stored in it decide how much wealth, success, and happiness you allow yourself to experience. Negative self-talk programs it with limits, while positive affirmations rewrite it with possibilities. That's why daily affirmations are so powerful. They are mental coding for success. Step 2. I am affirmations for wealth. Let's begin with wealth. Please repeat after me, either out loud or silently. I am worthy of financial abundance. I am open to new streams of income. I am aligned with opportunities that bring me wealth. I am grateful for the money flowing into my life. Every time you say these words, imagine money as energy that flows to you without resistance. Step 3. I am affirmations for success. Now let's shift to success. Repeat with me. I am capable of achieving greatness. I am confident in my skills and talents. I am focused, disciplined, and motivated. I am attracting success in everything I do. Visualize doors opening, opportunities appearing, and yourself stepping into the version of you who is already successful. Step 4. I am affirmations for happiness. Finally, happiness. Please repeat after me. I am at peace with who I am. I am surrounded by love and positivity. I am grateful for this moment. I am filled with joy, and happiness flows through me. When you affirm happiness, you train your subconscious to seek joy in every situation, no matter how small. Step 5. Daily practice. These affirmations are most effective when practiced daily. Say them in the morning to set your energy for the day, or at night before sleep when your subconscious is most receptive. The more consistently you repeat them, the faster they rewire your mind for wealth, success, and happiness. Let's recap. Your subconscious mind shapes your reality. By reprogramming it with affirmations, you unlock new levels of wealth, success, and happiness. The key is consistency. Speak them, feel them, and watch your life transform. If you felt the power of these affirmations, give this video a like. Share it with someone who needs this energy, and subscribe to Money Matrix for more powerful tools to unlock your mind and attract abundance. Your subconscious is listening. Make sure it hears the right words.